The Delco Remy 39MT starter family offers select part numbers with a rotatable mounting flange that can be rotated or clocked to take the place of many other fixed mounting flange starters. These part numbers can reduce your inventory while also maintaining coverage for virtually every application on the road today. There are 3 key steps to keep in mind when clocking the starter: obtaining the correct solenoid position, repositioning the integrated magnetic switch or IMS if needed, position of the drain holes. These steps ensure that you clear any obstruction that may hinder the starter from being mounted and allow the starter to drain condensation properly. If the drainage holes aren't in the right location, the starter can take on water, which can lead to corrosion and contamination and early failure. Make sure that at least one drain hole is facing down, which typically means that the solenoid is on the top of the starter. However, there are some starter models that have the 6 drain holes located on the same side as the solenoid. In these instances, the solenoid will be mounted in the down position. To clock the starter, remove the old starter and place it on the workbench with the drive end housing facing toward you. This is the end where the starter pinion gear is visible. Next, place the new Rotatable Flange 39MT starter next to the old starter in the same orientation on the workbench in front of you. If the 3 larger mounting holes are in the same position on both starters, then you will not need to clock the new starter. But if they are different, remove the 6 torque screws on the front mounting flange and turn the mounting flange until it mirrors the old starter mounting flange. Once you reach the desired position, then reinstall the 6 torque screws and you're done. For further diagnostics, troubleshooting, or other questions, contact technical support. You can also visit us online.